Hello there, this is Charmi here. Have you come across a website where it shows a bar that indicates how much more is remaining and wondered how you can have that such an amazing feature on your website? So today's topic is reading progress bar, or you can say reading meter. Now this feature is very much useful if you have a blogging website, and we all know that it is very much necessary to make our visitors stay on our page as much as possible. So in that case, reading progress bar is an amazing feature to grab visitors' attention, make your page more engaging and interactive, and people feel more encouraged to scroll and go through the whole article. That is what we all want, right? Now let us see how you can make such an amazing eye-catching reading progress bar in WordPress. So this is the website which we will be using, and we will have a progress bar over here. So let's go to our dashboard and click to add new plugin. Type your reading meter and press enter. We will install this one, Worth the Read. Click on install now. It has 6,000 plus active installations. Then click on activate. After activating, you have to just scroll down and you will get option over here which is Worth the Read. Click there. We will select reading progress and go to functionalities, and here we have option display on post, pages or home page, but I just want on home page on post, so I will just select that. And it says you want to include comments or not, so I will just keep it off. And where you want your placement, top, bottom, left or right, you can select whatever is suitable for you. I will just select top. Then there is an option of offset. Leave this option for now. I will explain you what is this later in this video. Then if you scroll down, keep all this option as it is and click on save changes. Now let's go to our website and refresh this page. And as I scroll, you can see a red bar over here. So this is working, it means. So as I scroll, the bar gets, extended and it shows how much it is left. Now let's go to style. And I will keep the thickness as 5 only. If you want, you can increase this, but I think you can keep 5 only. And foreground color, I will use my default color, that is yellow. And foreground opacity, I will keep it 0.80. Keep this all option as it is. For muted background, I will again use my base color, that is yellow. And for end foreground color, I will all use yellow color, but a little bit of a darker tone. And click on save changes. Let's refresh this page. If you can see, now my bar is reading meter is yellow in color. I think this looks fine. Now we will display time over here so that it indicates how much minute this article is for. So let's go to time commitment and click on functionalities and display on post. And here it asks for whether you want before the title, after the title, so or before the content, but I will select after the title. Words per minute, I will just keep it as it is. And here it says format, how you want your format to be. Your hashtag means the time it will display, how much minute it is. Keep all the options as it is and click on save changes. Then let's go to style and we will just format our text. Choose whatever font you want. I will just use Roboto Slab and I will just have font size as 18 pixels and line height 20. And font color, I will use my base color, that is yellow, and save changes. Now let's go to our website and refresh the page. Okay, if you can see here, now it mentions that it is 45 minutes read. And if I scroll down, the bar is also there. Now I want this bar over here in the bottom. I don't want in the top. So let's see how we can do that. Go to reading progress, and if you remember, I have told you to leave this offset part. It says the progress bar can be offset from the placement edge specified above. So now you can specify any number according to the height of your menu panel, whatever it is. So I will specify 60 because that is the height I want after that. Let's save changes and let's go to our website. And when I refresh this page, and you can see the bar is coming over here. So I think this looks much better, and most of the website have a reading meter over here only. So I think this was much helpful for you all guys, and if you have any difficulties you can let me know in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you.